The UBL Hideaway is one of the brightest and most durable hideaway lights on the market. It features 12 3-watt LEDs, waterproof housing, a quick disconnect, and 3 programmable modes. A key feature of this light is the ability to sync to display nicely on your vehicle. How exactly do you do that? Stay tuned and find out. What's up everyone, Billy here with Ultra Bright Lights, and today we're taking a closer look at our UBL Hideaways to show you how to sync multiple lights together. In order to do this, we need to quickly take a look at the wiring of the light. The UBL Hideaways come equipped with a black wire for ground, red is mode 1, blue is mode 2, green is mode 3, yellow is your pattern changer and sync, and there's a white wire for alternating sync. The first step to syncing your lights is to set all of your lights to the steady burn pattern with each light on the same mode. Use the yellow wire to cycle through your flash patterns until you get to steady burn. Here we have our lights set to mode 1, the red wire, and they're already set to a steady burn. For simultaneous sync, take the yellow wire of all of your UBL hideaways and tie them together and connect them to power to cycle through your flash patterns. As you can see, the lights are in perfect sync. For alternating sync, select one or a set of lights depending on how many you have and use these as sync A. Take the white wire from all of these lights and apply them to power. There you can see you'll now have your alternating sync. Remember, whether you're using simultaneous or alternating sync, you just simply use the yellow wire and tap it to power to cycle through your patterns until you get to the desired flash pattern. Available in amber, blue, red, or white in single color, and amber white, red blue, red amber, or blue amber in dual color, the UBL Hideaways come with 6 feet of cable and can be mounted virtually anywhere internally or externally on your vehicle. They can also be used as a surface mount with a provided flange. With 120 degrees of light spread and an SAE rating, the UBL Hideaways are excellent lights for your vehicle. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below or contact us via Facebook, Instagram, by phone, or at ultrabrightlights.com. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.